Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2025 Jaguar Motorhome conjures up an exciting fusion of the conveniences of mobile living with the luxury of British automobiles. Although high-performance premium cars and SUVs continue to be Jaguar's major focus, speculating about their entry into the motorhome industry is an intriguing exercise in engineering and design. A 2025 Jaguar Motorhome would naturally follow the brand's recognizable design aesthetic. A stylish grille featuring the recognizable leaping Jaguar logo, smooth, flowing lines, and painstakingly designed lighting characteristics are all to be expected. Aerodynamic efficiency would probably be given priority on the outside, even if a motorhome's form factor is inevitably more voluminous. Its outstanding presence would be further enhanced by premium paint finishes, possibly in vintage Jaguar colors. Such a vehicle's chassis would have to offer a sturdy yet sophisticated base. Even with the additional weight and size of a motorhome body, one may envision a sophisticated air suspension system that would guarantee the calm and comfortable ride that characterizes Jaguar automobiles. In order to meet the needs of a larger vehicle meant for long-distance driving, powertrain options may be modified or hybridized from Jaguar's current lineup of effective and potent engines. The 2025 Jaguar Motorhome would surely put comfort and elegance first inside. An extravagant living area would be created with premium materials including soft leather, exquisite wood veneers, and custom metal accents. Most likely, the arrangement would be thoughtfully planned to optimize both use and space perception. A luxurious kitchenette with high-end appliances, a cozy living space with built-in entertainment systems, and a sleeping space intended for peaceful relaxation are all possible. Integration of technology would be crucial. Anticipate a cutting-edge infotainment system that will effortlessly regulate entertainment, navigation, and vehicle operations. Modern driver assistance technologies that are similar to those in Jaguar's cars would improve driving safety and comfort. Another important factor would be connectivity, which would guarantee that residents stay in touch while traveling. A 2025 Jaguar Motorhome would probably be positioned in the luxury market, attracting affluent travelers looking for an exclusive and opulent mode of transportation. It would deviate from traditional motorhome designs by placing an emphasis on performance in comparison to its class, style, and the superior craftsmanship that is associated with the Jaguar brand. In conclusion, a 2025 Jaguar Motorhome is an intriguing idea of how premium automobiles could be incorporated into the recreational vehicle market, even though it is only conceptual at this time. It would be a car that appeals to people who want a unique and upscale mobile living experience because of its exquisite design, sophisticated performance, opulent interiors, and cutting-edge technology.